What's going on, my Booch Head friends? This week's flavor of the week, actually I have two flavors for you, inspired by the blood orange. If you've never had a blood orange, not only are they beautiful to look at and decorate with, but they're also extremely tasty. They have a really bold, deep flavor. Some people say it's kind of has like a mix of dark cherry and grapefruit. I love them. They come in season around January. And I said, what a great way to make some kombucha, of course. I mean, is there anything else you'd want to do? So the first flavor, I didn't really get good camera footage. I'm still new with the camera. Actually, this is my first time filming on my Canon M50. I'm so excited. I've had it for 6 months. But the recipe is blood orange and lemon. For the lemon blood orange, I used a tablespoon of blood orange. I just squeezed it with an orange squeezer, and about a teaspoon of the lemon, because we just want the lemon to kind of accent the blood orange flavor. Use black tea and garnish. You can always add a little bit more blood orange when you go to serve it if you want to get fancy or whatever, you just have some friends over, because it will like enhance the flavor right away. And guys, let's take kombucha from being just a simple drink like this to being something a little bit more sophisticated, right? The reason I do these photo shoots is to really showcase how beautiful kombucha is. Plus it's fun for me. And think like this could be served at weddings and just really nice events. Don't skimp on the garnish. I know it takes a little bit extra work, but if you have the time, try it. Please let me know in the comments, because I don't really get a lot of comments concerning the garnish, of how you like it, if you think it's worth it. If you're looking for some cute kombucha wear, check out my shirt. Here's a few of the designs right here. And next up on the list is pomegranate blood orange. This one was one of my top favorites, and the photo shoot was extremely fun. This time when I used the pomegranates, I decided to crush them up a little bit. I added about a tablespoon and then about a tablespoon of blood orange. You can always add a little bit more or less depending on what taste you're going for. I used black tea. And for the garnish, this one was so fun. I just used some blood orange and some ice cubes. You could also throw in an herb like rosemary or thyme. Don't forget to pop that like button. And if you are in need of a SCOBY, I am your girl. I am your girl. And what I mean by that is I'm now selling my SCOBY. I also have a kombucha business I just started where I'm selling commercially in my local area. But if you need a SCOBY, go ahead and shoot me an email, or I'll have a link to my store down below. You'll get 8 ounces of starter tea and about a 4-ounce SCOBY. And I didn't want the SCOBY to be too big because of the shipping cost to you. You can get your SCOBY as big or small as you want once you get it pretty fast. So after a couple brews, it'll start to get thicker, and then you can decide if you want a thick or thin SCOBY. I will be putting a video out shortly about the lineage of my kombucha SCOBY, where it came from, and some other details. I'll see you in the next video.